Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi everyone, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. I'm Rashmi, and to solve your tiffin worries, we've put together 200 recipes for 200 school days. Today we're going to make soya tikkis. Now this is a very simple recipe and it's a variation from the regular aloo tikkis that you make. It's easy to make, the kids are going to enjoy eating it. So come along and let's see how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. I'm going to take about 1 tablespoon of oil, which I'm going to add to a pan. And I have 2 tablespoons of onions chopped really fine, which I'm going to add to this. Now we're going to saute this till it's transparent. And I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder to this. Half teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. It's a very straightforward recipe. You just saute this really well. Now to this, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of soya granules. And in goes 1.5 tablespoons of Kissan Tomato Ketchup. Now the Kissan Tomato Ketchup is going to give it a nice tomato flavor, and it's going to keep the soya tikkis nice and moist. We add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to this mix. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt to this, and now the mix is ready, so you can turn the burner off. And let's get going with the casing. Now for the potato casing, I have 3 medium-sized potatoes. I'm going to add some salt to this, just a pinch, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm going to give this a nice mix. Now I take a fist size of the potato casing and just flatten it in your hand, in the palm of your hand, and about 1 teaspoon of your soya mix. A little bit of coriander, that's optional again, and you just simply cover this well. Similarly, I'm going to make 2 more of these. So the tikkis are ready. I'm going to just shallow fry it in a pan. Another tablespoon or so of oil should suffice. You just need to place it in the pan and let it fry for about 5 minutes or so, a couple minutes on each side. The tikkis are ready. Now I'm just going to put it on a kitchen towel for a few minutes just to drain any excess oil. And then I'm ready to put it into our tiffin. So it goes into the tiffin along with some sides. Today we've got some almonds, some cut pineapple. I hope you like this recipe. It's very simple, very straightforward. Do share this with your friends and subscribe to India Food Network. And look out for more recipes like this, because we want to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.